This is my best friend Sonya, and she lives in Denver, Colorado. We've been friends for 14 years now. I love her contagious laughter, her desire for adventure, and her kind-hearted light spirit. This video is a documentation of what kind of antics we got into together in Colorado, starring our adventure out to Crested Butte! Otherwise known as the beautiful town of Crested Butte, Colorado.
We made it to the butt! We're at the butt! The crusty butt!
First stop in the morning was Butte Bagels. This little bagel shop had some of the best breakfast sandwiches I've ever had. We met up with Sonya's boyfriend Payson, sat down to enjoy our breakfast, and prepared for the adventure ahead.
Okay, which one's which? Who's got who? What's got what? What do we got? Doing what?
Skiing.
Where?
Up Houston. Down Bay.
Descending from mountaintops with these two beautiful human beings and exploring the town of Crested Butte was the perfect reminder that life really is just about gratitude for the breathtaking beauty that exists here on earth, for laughing until I cry, and for sharing time with genuine, hilarious, and loving human beings. Thank you for an incredible weekend, and just for being here with me. I love you. Until next time. Peace.